I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how to really manifest your dream life into existence. Because when a lot of people talk about their dream life, it's this out there, outlandish thing that maybe one day they'll accomplish. Maybe, probably, if they go for it. But I'm going to share with you how to let go of this perspective of it being a maybe thing and an actuality thing. Something that you can actually create into existence. How to really manifest your dream life and manifest your reality. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if you're new to this channel, what I want you to do is I want you to hit that subscribe button. I want you to hit that notification bell because I do post a new video every single day. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation. I also do have a group program coming up in the next couple of months. So if you want more details on the program, or if you want to be a part of the program, the link will be in the description box of this video for more details on that as well. Enrollment is closing soon, so definitely check it out if you do want to be a part of it. Now, what's the first step to this process of really manifesting what you want into existence? To really make it a reality. Not this one day thing, but an actuality thing. A thing that you are going to create. Because even when I use a word, quote unquote, dream, people don't feel like they can create it. They don't feel like they can manifest it. They don't feel like it's within reach. So the first step to this process is to see what you want as realistic. See it as possible. It sounds cliche, but it's like if you don't even see it as realistic, if you don't feel that your self-image can be a part of what you want to be, like if you want to be a musician, if you don't see yourself realistically in actuality, taking the steps, the tangible physical steps, being the way that you need to be, and realistically seeing yourself manifesting that relationship or manifesting that money or manifesting the thing that you want into your existence, being there, if you don't see that as a realistic possibility, it's going to be really difficult for you to manifest what you want into existence, because it's always going to be this one day I'm gonna get it thing. How many people manifest that see it as one day I'll follow my dreams? See it as realistic. Connect your self-image and the way you want to be with something that feels within reach. And so the key is to set realistic goals as well. Set goals that you feel are realistically something you're going to be able to accomplish. Because it's not to be pessimistic and to downplay or what you're able to accomplish, or for me to tell you to play small. But what most people do is they set goals that feel so unrealistic that they self-sabotage extremely fast. And so the simple solution to this is have the greater goal in mind, see that as realistic. But if that feels so out of reach, then don't set that goal. Maybe one day you want to make 50K a month, but starting with that goal overwhelms you and makes you self-sabotage. Start with 10K a month. That's a more realistic goal, right? I want to make 50K a month. That's beautiful. Have you hit 10K a month? Set the goals that feel realistic. Go one step at a time towards what you want to create. Actually make it happen though. Really, what's stopping you right now in your life from really making your dreams an actuality? You see, even when I say the word dreams, it's like it makes you want to click off the video and be like, oh, that's so cliche. Yeah, I completely agree. So make it real. Make it something that feels within reach. Go one step at a time and really follow your heart in a way that also honors the physical reality that you're in, the tangible reality that you're in. Follow your heart, but honor the fact that you gotta go one step at a time. Everything you want in your life exists in this present moment, not one day in the future. All creation happens now, not in the future, not one day, it happens now. So you need to take the small steps that lead up to the bigger vision and follow what your heart wants right now. And so make sure you see it as realistic and something that is within reach. That is the first foundational step to this process of really manifesting your dream life into existence and manifest your reality. How to manifest your dreams and manifest your reality. How to really manifest your dreams and to manifest your reality. Now, the second step to this process is we want to understand that the way things get created in life is the same energetically. What you focus on grows. Energy flows where attention goes. I am very confident that I can create what I want now because I understand that the energetics of creation is the same. If you put enough energy into something for a consistent enough period of time, it can't not grow. It has to. Most people just don't stay consistent enough to let the energy compound over time and see the results. It takes focus. What you focus on grows. You really want to understand this. What you focus on grows. And most people are focused on either the past of where they were or the future that doesn't exist in the now. Now, don't get me wrong. It's always beautiful to focus on the future and have a vision. But unless you're taking the steps to get to that so-called future right now in this present moment, you'll never get there. You're never going to arrive at the future because the future doesn't exist. The future is right now. You turn your vision into reality now, not in the future. And so what you want to understand is that when you put enough focus, when you put enough energy, energy is focus. Focus is energy. Energy flows where attention goes. When you put enough focus, when you put enough energy into something, it is going to manifest into your reality. You want to have what we call concentrated focus. You want to have a focus on the thing you want to manifest and keep your focus on it. Keep taking the steps day in, day out. Because if you put enough focus, it's going to manifest. It sounds like just a motivational talk right now, but it's just the truth. It is just the truth. Your dreams are not this outlandish thing. It's not this one day thing. It's just about doing it every single day. And that's why when I started this YouTube channel, I said, hey, I post a video every single day. And I still say that because it just becomes a part of your reality when you put enough focus and energy into something. It has to manifest. It can't not manifest. Some people will argue, they'll be like, Francis, no. It's not going to, no, it's going to manifest. The people that have the objections are the ones that haven't manifested their life. If you have an objection to that statement of it can't not manifest, have you manifested your life and your dream life, your actual dream life into existence. Not why I manifested some things. Your true, actual life that is fulfilling to you, that fulfills your heart, that fulfills your soul. Have you manifested that if you make an objection to what you focus on can't not manifest? Have you seen what you truly want from your heart manifest? The money you want, the relationship you want, the things you truly want, where you wake up in the morning and you love your life every single day. That's on offer for you. That is on offer for you. If I could create it, why can't you? I wake up every single day. I love what I do now. And a year ago, I wasn't there. You have the power to create what you want, actually, really create it. Now, the third and final step to this process is to understand that you don't have to do it like this. But what I found in my experience is that when you can put all your energy into one thing at a time, you're going to manifest it way faster. Now, you don't have to do it like this. If you want, you can focus on multiple projects at a time. But personally, what I found is that when I started this channel and my coaching business, for example, I put all my energy into the channel and into the business. I put everything into it. Everything. I even told myself that friends are, like when I was letting go of toxic friends, toxic relationships, I put a lot of areas of my life on hold, including certain friendships, because I put all my energy into one thing. I really wanted to create certain things in my life. And that's exactly what happened. If you put all your focus, all your energy into one thing, it's going to manifest way faster. Now, if you don't want to do that, feel free to focus on multiple projects at a time. I could have stayed in school, which I hated, and did my YouTube channel at the same time. But I knew for a fact that one, it wouldn't allow me to tap into the identity of being the way I want to be, being, full-time, doing what I love. And I also knew that it's going to drain me. And I also knew that I wasn't able to put all my energy into the thing that I wanted to create. And so it's important to consider that the energetics of creation and compounding something into your life, letting the energy build up over time, compounding the energy, happens a lot faster. That snowball can build a lot faster when you put all your energy into one thing. You can put all that energy into one thing. Right now I'm working on other stuff as well. Like I do beatboxing sometimes. You check out the channel, leave it in the description box. Maybe you'll enjoy it. But what I want you to understand is that when I was creating this, I had to put other things on hold. And so, like I said, there's no wrong way to play the game. But the question is, how fast do you want to create what you want? And how close do you want to get to it? If you want to manifest something in the fastest way possible, if you want to create your reality really, actually, I've found that putting all my energy and attention into one thing at a time, or at least a majority of my attention into one thing at a time, is what helps you to build it up into something real, into something that you can manifest. And when you understand what I'm sharing with you in this video, you are going to see that when you create one thing, that way you created that, the confidence that you get from building something into existence is going to carry over into anything. Because I've created my business and my channel, I really do feel like I can create whatever I want. Because I can see that the energy of creation is the same. It doesn't matter what you create. You put your focus into something. You put consistency into it. You trust yourself in the process, and you let that snowball build up over time, and it is going to manifest. It's going to manifest. It can't not manifest. You're going to build so much trust in yourself. You're gonna have follow through with your vision so much, so much follow through, so much follow through. You're gonna have followed through, not follow through. You're gonna have followed through with your vision so much for such a long period of time that you'll feel like there's nothing you can't create. You're gonna feel like you can create anything. And that is a powerful skill set and confidence to have. Imagine if you trusted yourself so deeply that no matter what happened in your life, what fell apart, your job fell apart, your relationship fell apart, that you trusted in yourself and your skill sets to create your reality. What if you had that trust at such a deep level that you never doubted in yourself to create what you want? Maybe the doubt comes up. It's a normal part of the process. But even while you're in that doubt, you can still trust yourself to know that you are going to create the thing that you desire. So I want to conclude this video by opening you up to the idea that your dream is not this one day I'm gonna manifest my dream if I'm lucky kind of thing. Scratch that idea from this moment moving forward. I invite you to drop the unrealisticness of your dream and make it something that feels within reach. Every human being on this planet is just a human being like you. Any celebrity, any influencer, they're all just human beings. You have the power to create whatever you want. Stop putting these people on a pedestal. You can create just as much as anybody you look up to and more if you want. It's just, do you want it? Do you trust yourself enough to do it? Or are you making what you want happen? And are you seeing it as something that's within reach? And so remember that if you focus on one thing at a time, it's also going to increase your chances of creating what you want. So again, just to conclude this video, see it as something that's realistic. You can manifest your dream life. I hope that I'm an example of that, given anybody that's been following me for the last year. And I want you to see that I'm saying that not to be some like I have this and you don't. It's not about that. It's for you to see that what you want is within reach. What you want to create is there for you. The question is, are you willing to actually go for it? And even that sounds cliche. To actually go for it. So that's all I have for this video. Once again, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation. I also, once again, do have a group program coming up very soon, and enrollment is closing soon. So if you want to be a part of the program, or if you want more details on the program, the link will be in the description box of this video for more details on that as well. As always, have yourself a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.